Do a time lapse? No.
No. No, it's on live video.
Okay, if he's wired off of this exhaust and shit.
Yeah, I'm not. I got to do all of this too. I'm just gonna run it for a second longer and see if, like this shit's responding right.
Want me to do it?
Yeah. Do you have something to fucking hold it on there? Is it getting hot? Did it seem like, or no?
I don't need this. I just need it. All I need to do is put this one on there, and I can touch this and start it.
Yeah,
And
sure.
let go of this. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Or I'll just do this. What I was doing.
Oh, stop. We need cardboard. I forgot about these. We have a little shiny line.
Fuck, I'm like. There we go.
Yep, my bad. Forgot about them sluggers. Well, just gotta notch a little bit out for this little guy. Right here. And then I'm gonna drill a couple holes, I think, right through here. And just mount the radiator on these, which were the existing fan shroud holders. And then go under here, gotta finish weld. That little guy. Had to just cut the bumper bracket in half and channel it so the radiator will fit in there just barely. But it makes it to where the radiator is sitting almost flush with the bottom of the bumper. So it's working out pretty good. Getting the heap of stuff off the back here. Get back to a more naked form of the old courier. Because we're about to, do a little vehicle moving. Type of vehicle with nobody in it. Use a tractor. Makes it way easier. Gotta thread the needle. We're gonna fit her in this little hole right here. Maybe. We'll find out in just a minute, boys. Well, I had to use the flux core, so they're on there, but they ain't pretty. But got all my mounts done. Get my fuel tank in here. One step closer to getting this thing mounted and getting this thing ready to go. Let's see it. Well, got all the welding done. Gonna get some of the brackets cleaned up, get some paint on it, and see about getting some more progress done on this thing. Get this tank mounted back in, get the fuel lines mounted back in, maybe see about making a bracket for the e-brake cable. So, see what we can get done. It's a beautiful day to do it. Making a little bit of progress. Got this upper frame rail cleaned off. All cleaned up. The inside. Gotta get all this stuff ground down. Gonna have to get a grinder wheel for that. I don't have one here, I guess. And same on this side. Gotta get the paint off here still, but gotta get the grinder, get that all notched out, that cleaned up, and get this all painted up and get it looking a little better. Well, everything cleaned up. Got a little layer of black on her. And go through. Next step for getting that tank mounted in, we're gonna come through. I cut 2 1/4 strips out of here. So that way I can lace them on top of this flat stock right here. So that way when we come across, we got an isolator. So that way we're not putting any holes or cracks or anything in our tank. Fuel leak is not the leak that we want to have. So we'll see about getting this buttoned up, get this cut out of here, and go from there. Well, got my little insulator pads made. 2 of these, got them cut out, got everything drilled, ready to go. So we'll get those slapped on, get the tank slapped on here, and we'll be pretty well buttoned up. Get the fuel lines running and see where we need to go from there. Well, got it in. Little isolated buffer pad in there. Gotta get some shorter bolts. I'm gonna run to the hardware store real quick and see. Get this thing mounted in here all the way, but she's looking a little better. Got more stuff I need to do, but definitely a step in the right direction. I'm gonna run to the parts house, see about getting some more stuff, get some more stuff cleaned up. Maybe start working on this e-brake, I don't know. That's gonna be a nightmare.